Okay, students, 9th class, we were saying about the factorization. Okay, factorization of polynomial. Okay, then today I am going to explain and solve the numericals of factorization of polynomial. Now let us try to understand at first factor. Suppose in junior classes, what you have done? Suppose there is a number 50. You expand it as 3 into 5. Okay? Then you say that 3 is a factor of 15 and 5 is a factor of 15. Okay? Here is the same thing. But this is in terms of what? This is in terms of polynomial. Then suppose there is a polynomial x square minus 1. Okay? Then say this one is px. There is a polynomial x square minus 1. Say this to be px. And here let us suppose that qs is equal to x plus 1. Then here we will say that x plus 1, it means qx is a factor of px. It means x square minus 1. How we can say this? If we divide this px, if we divide px x square minus 1, it means by qx, it means px by qx. That is what? That is px x plus 1. Then what we get? This will be divided and we will get x minus 1. Then what we observe? We observe that qx, it means as x plus 1 divides x square minus 1. It means px exactly. Then this one is said to be, qx is said to be the polynomial of px. And okay, is it clear to you कि क्या हम कर रहे हैं? हमारा एक कोई पोलिनोमियल एक्स px है जो कि हम वैल्यू क्या लिए हैं? एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1. दूसरा पोलिनोमियल क्या है? qx जो x प्लस 1 है. तो हम इसको फैक्टर कैसे कहेंगे? If we divide this px polynomial, first polynomial, with this qx, it divides exactly. And what is the answer? X minus 1. Okay? Then qx is said to be the factor of px. Okay? This is the thing. Then what is factorization? Is it clear to you? Now come at factorization. At first, just see the statement. Factorization is what? To express a given polynomial as the product of polynomials, each of degree less than that of the given polynomial, such that no such a factor has a factor of lower degree, is called factorization. This is the definition. Now I am going to explain it. What is this? What we have said, if qx was, अभी just आपको समझाए हैं. Now let us see it again. qs is equal to qx square x square minus 1. And what we have seen here, this when we divide x square minus 1, x plus 1, then what we get? We get x minus 1. Then this can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay? ये जो हमारा qx ये था पॉलिनोमियल था, इसका फैक्टर हम जो px लिए, px क्या लिए? x प्लस 1. तो इससे जब डिवाइड किए तो एग्जैक्ट कितना आ गया? x. जैसे हम क्या करते हैं, 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 15 को तो क्या आ गया? 5. तो 3 in multiplied by 5 equal to 15. Then actually 3 is dividing exactly 15 and the result is what? Then we are going to write 15 equal to 3 into 5. That is the case here. our polynomial is x square minus 1. Already we have seen that p, that is x plus 1, is a factor. Then we can express this polynomial can be expressed as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Let us see here. What is the degree of x here? 1. What is the degree of x here? 1. And what is the degree of here? 2. Then this is the degree which is less than the degree of the polynomial. Here is the thing. If we express the polynomial as the product, what? As the product of polynomials. Here these are two small polynomial, a polynomial of a small degree, it means degree 1, and we are expressing this polynomial in terms of this. Okay, then degree is always obviously less, and what is how it has been expressed as the product. Okay, then if we express any polynomial as the product of different polynomials but of the lesser degree, इससे क्या होना चाहिए? डिग्री कम होना चाहिए. किसी भी पोलिनोमियल को हम कई पोलिनोमियल के प्रोडक्ट में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, और साथ ही साथ उसका जितना पोलिनोमियल और होगा छोटा छोटा, उसका डिग्री क्या होना चाहिए? पहले वाले से कम होना चाहिए. तो दिस मेथड इज said to be the factorization. Okay, this is clear to you. Now I am going to solve some numericals that will give you the confirmation about factorization, the concept of factorization, and you will learn how to factorize the different polynomials. Okay, ये आपको क्या हो जाएगा? इससे क्या पता चल जाएगा कि हमारा फैक्टराइजेशन क्या होता है, और साथ ही साथ आप क्या सीख जाइएगा कि हम कैसे पोलिनोमियल का न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते हैं. दैट इज इन वेरी इजी मैनर. तो लेट अस ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस न्यूमेरिकल. 9x स्क्वायर प्लस 12xy. ओके, हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू फैक्टराइज दिस वन. तो पहले आपको हम क्या करते हैं, एकदम सिंपल ढंग से समझाते हैं, स्टेप बाय स्टेप क्लियर कर देते हैं शुरू में. उसके बाद है क्या है आपको करेंगे, तब थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम डालते जाएंगे, थोड़ा सा, है ना, थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड करते जाए. कॉम्प्लिकेशन न्यूमेरिकल जो होगा थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा, और प्रोसेस से बढ़ाते जाएंगे. ठीक है, अभी एकदम सिंपल से स्टार्ट करिए कि आपको एकदम क्लियर बेस में से. अब ये है एक्चुअली कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. तो ये क्या कर लीजिए आप, यहाँ किनारे ऐसे कर लीजिए 9x स्क्वायर, जस्ट फॉर ए फैक्टराइज इट. तो 9 कैन बी फैक्टराइज एट 3 into 3. ओके, इट इज क्लियर टू यू. एंड x स्क्वायर मे बी रिटन एज x and x. दिस हैज बीन फैक्टराइज 3 into 3 into x into x. ऑल ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग, समझ में आ रहा है ना. नाउ लेट अस टेक दिस 12xy. So then this will be written as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, है ना. 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12. हो गया. And now this multiplied by x, this multiplied by. Okay. Now what we do? What are the steps? At first, when you are going to learn the method of factorization, then at first what will you do? First step is to expand these terms. We have expanded 9x square, that is 3 into 3 into x into x. Okay, then 12xy, 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3. Now x, now 1. So step 1 is, first step is to expand it. Then after what we'll do? Now come at second point. Here what we are going to do? Here let us take common. What is common here? Here only x is available in both, and 3 also 3 is available in both of these things, है ना. यहाँ हमारा क्या है, यहाँ 3 कॉमन, x कॉमन एंड नथिंग मोर इज कॉमन हियर। तो हम जो कॉमन है वो पहले लिख देंगे। यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे, 3x। ओके, 3x इज कॉमन टू यू। नाउ व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हियर? Here left part is 3 into x. Then we will write like this. It means from this has been taken common. ये हमारा कॉमन हो गया, मतलब इसमें भी है इसमें भी। तो इसको हम क्या कर दिए, let us take it out. Then left part of this is 3x. Now this has been done. Let us see here. 3 into x, 3 into x, 9x square. Okay. Now what is the symbol here? Plus. Write down plus. And now again come here. You have taken this thing. Now left is 2 into 2 into y. That is 2 into 4, 2 into 2, 4 and y. 4y. And this is your answer. You have factorized this one. Okay. That is quite easy. है ना, समझ में आ गया, बहुत इजी था। अब थोड़ा सा और हम डिफिकल्ट बढ़े, है ना। लेट अस टेक दिस एग्जांपल, ठीक है। 27 a क्यूब b क्यूब माइनस 45 into a4 bs। ओके, नाउ अगेन do the same thing as usual, जैसे पहले किए अब हम वैसे ही करेंगे। क्या है हमारा, ए नाउ राइट डाउन दिस थिंग। फर्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 1, राइट डाउन दिस थिंग। 27 a क्यूब b क्यूब। तो 27 में भी रिटर्न है 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3 जा 9 3 जा 27। ओके, and a cube as a into and b cube as b into b into b. We have expanded it. Now let us take this thing, 45 into a4 into b square. Now write down this, factorize this, 3 into 3 into 5, 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45. Okay. Now a4 a into a into a into a. Okay, and now b is b into b. Okay, now let us take common here. What is common? 3 in 3 is common, 3 in 3 is common. Now nothing is common here in digit. Now here a is common, a is common, a is common. Now this one is left, and here b is common, b is common. Okay, now we have taken the common thing. अब यहाँ देखिए, what we are going to do, what is the second step? Take common. तो let us see here, 3 into 3 क्या लिए हम कॉमन, यहाँ 9 है ना। 3 into 3 is common to both. Now a into a, what is available here common? a cube, and now here b square. Okay, these have been taken out. इसको हम लोग बाहर निकाल लिए। Now write down the symbol of a small bracket. Now what is left here? 3 into b. Only 3 into b. Write down here 3 into b. Now let us multiply this thing. This, when we multiply 9a cube b square and 3b, then this will be 27 a cube b cube. Okay, then write down here, we have done the work like up to this. Now write down here minus. Okay, minus, and let us see here, these had been taken, then what is left here? That is 5 into a, that is 5 into a. This is your answer. Quite simple. क्लियर हो गया। फिर अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जस्ट आपको तुरंत भेज रहे हैं, आपको कुछ डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम, धीरे धीरे डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम पढ़ाते हैं। ओके।